Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. How are you all doing? So this video, my husband was ready to unbox the TV and install it for us. So here he just opened it, and the first thing was the remote, and he started removing everything. So this unboxing, it takes a number of hours for my husband to finish. So initially my husband underestimated the installation and the unboxing or whatever, because he said he could just use less than an hour to do. And guys, I just left him. I was just there videoing, but later on I just left him and I went and did my things. Because as for the TV unboxing and installing, it was very easy, but the rest of the things wasn't. And my husband is the type that he doesn't like reading that what is it called, manual, right? Yeah, manual. He doesn't like reading the manual to follow the step by step. He is not reading person, like he doesn't like reading. His own is numbers. He like calculation. He's like he doesn't like reading, let me put it that way. So he loves mathematics, statistics, and other stuff. So for him to read the manual step by step, he said it will take time. So here he was removing the plastics or whatever from it. He said he doesn't want to do it fast so that something bad will happen. So he just took his time and remove it one after the other. I was standing there. I said, you can use the other way by pulling it once. He said no. So I was just watching him. So this one is the solid tape they used to seal it together with that box. They cover the screen or something like that. So guys, I hope you will pick one or two things from this unboxing. It's really overdue. I should have posted this video long time, and I know some of you have already seen the TV, but I decided to post this video so that it will be like, I will delete it from our gallery, and also somebody who wants to unbox will also learn one or two things from it. So this TV was our first TV when we relocated to this place, because we went and got it from Best Buy. I even had a video on that. I will leave the link under the description so that you guys will check it out the day we went and bought it. So we came, and it took us some numbers of months for us to get this TV. So when we got it, it was so good, and we love the size. We went in for 55 inches this time. Our old TV at the previous state was 40 inches or something like, yeah, 40 inches or 45, I think so. But this time I just said no, let's go in for 50 inches because the TV place for this apartment is big, and it will be good for us to get a bigger TV. So here my husband was just on this TV, and the baby boy came and helped him by delaying the process as usual.
So check, are we doing Netflix or which one? So I will pick one.
Okay.
Do you want
English, baby. Hey, guys. So what's next at TV? Well, okay. No, only a cool remote.
Wait, I'm working on it.
It's okay. Daddy will give it to you. Okay. So guys, this is the hardest part of this TV installation and unboxing. So this one is the TV stand, and this TV stand so this particular installation of this stand it took him the whole day, and I was feeling bad. I was feeling like I felt his stress that he was going through. I pity him. And he refused to listen to me. I told him to look for the manual and read it. He said no. So this one, when I said that, and then he just picked it and he opened it and said, okay, now I will look at the manual. And he was able to do it. And I said, you see, you should always read the manual, no matter how smart or how this thing that you know or you think you can do. Check the manual, because there are certain things you need the manual no matter what. So he just checked the manual and he was able to get some tools that he would need for the following steps, and in fact he did amazing. He just removed the whole thing again, like reassemble them again and start it from the beginning. So the manual was showing him the particular tools he should use one after the other, and he was able to. So he was showing to you guys and I was just sitting there laughing at him. I said, you see, I told you to read the manual and you refuse. Because this one is not like the TV. This one is very, very difficult TV stand. You have to check every details.
Stop, you are still doing. You see?
I'll
Stop that. Get away. Where are you going? You think it's for you to be climbing it? Huh? You can't climb, it's too small. That's not how. Wait. Oh, goodness. Okay. Give me away. Let's go.